New income proof. Yep, new income proof. Big shout out to Latoya Mitchell out of Dallas, Texas. Big shout out to you, Latoya. I know you're going to hit the ground running. Thank you for joining PaulyB's Inner Circle. And once again, folks, it's Pauly B coming at you once again right outside the Big Apple, New York City. And there's two kinds of people, folks, who come to the Big Apple, the money capital of the world, with these two thoughts in mind. And it goes like this, folks. Whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you are right, said Henry Ford. And folks, I'm telling you right now, that is the God's honest truth for almost 8 million people who come to the Big Apple. And folks, I'm taking you right over to the digital growth community. And this is our Wins tab on the school platform 24/7 around the clock, because the Legacy Builder program with Michelle O'Neill and the DGC family, the digital growth family, is international around the world. And here we have an hour ago, Stephanie Randolph, 1,824 hours. And folks, let me tell you this up close. We have thousands of people, average people from all walks of life, from 18 years old to 80 years old. No experience, no tech skills, who jump aboard and hit the ground running. And there's not just a few of us, folks. I have never seen this name before. And when I come on here every day to get my vibrational energy up, and we'll talk about that when joining PaulyB's Inner Circle, your new mindset coach. And folks, here I am, another $900 commission. Big shout out to Latoya Mitchell out of Dallas, Texas. She is now our new member of our DGC family. And here I write, stay focused, guys. Everyone has their time to shine. Remember, history is his story, God's story. He wrote the script. When the page of history turns and falls on your page and chapter, you will shine. Therefore, everything is rigged in your favor. Wait on the Lord. Be of good courage. Wait, I say, on the Lord. And that is Psalm 27, verse 14. Folks, we are the legacy builders. And in PaulyB's Inner Circle, when you join, you will get on a live Zoom with me. And I will help you navigate and hit the ground running, showing you exactly what I'm doing to get sales. Now, for those of you who've joined other sponsors and are reaching out to me, I want to help you. I do want to help you, but I have a boatload of team members. So when you reach out to me, I'm not being rude. So what I decided to do is this. If you want me to be your sponsor, now I'm not stealing team members, but you've tried over and over again to reach out to your sponsor, and perhaps they went into the Witness Protection Program, MIA, missing in action, whatever the case may be. If you want me to be your sponsor, and folks, I'm getting calls all across the world, from Pakistan to Ghana, South Africa, UK, New Zealand, Australia, USA, everywhere. If you want me to be your sponsor, there is a cost of $250. $250 is a good investment, because I'm going to help you get a few sales under your belt, give you some really awesome mindset, and help you hit the ground running. It is well worth it. And it's going to come to a point where I don't know if I'm going to have any more time So jump on it now. In the description, I'll leave my phone number. As a matter of fact, my phone number is, I can't even find it anymore, the phone. Where are you, cell phone? It's 862-658-2086. Again, 862-658-2086. I'll leave that number in the description. For inquiring minds, go to the bio. For those of you on TikTok, Instagram, go to that bio, get some more information, or you can click on that phone tab and get me on the phone. And yes, folks, it's not just me hitting the ground running in the digital growth community. There are many people who are hitting the ground running. And there's Daniel Pace, $600 ding. That means he got a notification on his phone. And here we have many wins, folks. Derek Van Dyke, 3 hours ago, another $900 sale came in this morning. And Derek says he just signed up last week and already have made 2 sales. I love the simplicity of this system and the amazing training, marketing materials, and community. Folks, let me just tell you, a few short months ago, I joined this program, well over $30,000, $30K already. And when I first came on this program, there were about 5,000 to 6,000 members. And I had predicted that within the coming months, that was going to quadruple. Well, you tell me. Right over here, there are, up to date, November 10th, 2024, coming into the holidays, there are now 44,882 members. Folks, from 18 years old to 80 years old. We just had a woman, Penny, 77 years old, who just made her $900 commission. And you can do it as well. Where we're finding out where the ocean of abundance is on TikTok. What I'm going to help you do, folks, and this is a brand new account, by the way, where I just had it just the last couple of months or so, and I've got it up to 4,000 followers. I will show you how to get 1,000 followers to where you'll get a clickable link here. And when you click that link, it will go over to your capture page. And I'm going to teach you, we are going to teach you, along with Michelle O'Neill and the training modules that you will get, the Legacy Builder program, we're going to teach you how to drive traffic to this done-for-you funnel. Folks, she's already made $1 million with this funnel. She's giving you the funnel. All you have to do is plug it in. It does all the selling and telling. When they put their email in here, it's going to go to an autoresponder. They're going to get a series of messages throughout the next 30 days. And again, it does all the selling and telling. This is a fully automated business. Now, here's the numbers. We're all businessmen and women, entrepreneurs. Tell me the numbers, Paul. Show me the money. Okay. Every 20 emails. Now, this is the worst scenario. Every 20 emails that go into this capture page, it is going to convert to, on the average, a $900 commission. That's full commission. Goes right into your bank account. And there are 3 other packages, 600, 300, 100, getting what you're fitting. Now, for those of you who cannot afford the $900 package, we have payment arrangements on Klarna and Affirm. But I need to tell you up front, you have to have at least decent credit. Now, if you don't qualify for that, you can call me and we will work it out. Yes, I will reach into my pocket and make it affordable for you. And there's not one person, folks, who called me with that offer, not one, that I said no to. So if you call me and if you already tried to do the payment arrangement and don't have decent credit, which don't worry, a lot of people don't today in this recession, I will help you. So now, 20 emails per day, 30 days is 600 emails. Divide that by 20, and you're going to come up with $27,000. Now, folks, I'm going to ask you this. Would $27,000 change your life? Well, let's say you only got 10 emails in a day. That's $13,500. Would that change your life? Would that help you get out of that 9 to 5? Well, today is Sunday evening at 5:06 p.m., right around dinner time. And some of you, I know I'm talking to someone right now, are getting ready to go back to work. Well, guess what? Most of us who've joined the Legacy Builder program were able to quit our 9 to 5s. I stopped working my pest control company to do this, and you could be next. What would it feel like if you too could wake up tomorrow morning and work from home? Now, here's the technique. I'm going to drop a nugget on you. Close your eyes. Envision yourself staying home tomorrow, starting the Legacy Builder program, being in business for yourself, but not by yourself, having interactive connection with me and with the Legacy Builder program with Michelle O'Neill, getting all the support you can, and envisioning yourself making $900 commissions on the average. Now stay there. I'm closing my eyes with you until you feel what that would feel like. Folks, if you do that until you feel the emotion, it's already done. Because once that energy goes out into the universe, it will snap back into reality. That is what we're going to teach you with the Legacy Builder program with the law of attraction. What is better than that? Folks, my name is PaulyB. I'm right outside the Big Apple, New York City. And that's what I have to tell you this evening. The good news that you can start working from home, have an online business, start building generational wealth for your family, hit the ground running with PaulyB's Inner Circle, and start crushing it. Folks, please do like, subscribe, leave any comments. I answer all comments. May you have a blessed night and be blessed, you and your family. Thank you very much for watching, and shalom.